This song is for rehearsal purposes only.
Sons and daughters prophesy. This is the sound of heaven. The Spirit make our hearts come alive. We gather today, your holy ones on earth. Holy, holy is the Lord Almighty, Almighty. Holy, holy is the Lord Almighty. Holy, holy is the Lord Almighty, Almighty. Spirits and revival, spirits and revival.